All right, so I don't care if this isn't the best way or the fucking right way of doing this. This is the only way that I know that works 100% of the time. So I'm going to show you how I do this. So in SideQuest here, I've connected it through my link cable. It does not matter which cable you use, just connect it to your PC in one way or another. And then go to this gear icon, this little wrench thingy. I'm already here. And scroll down. You get about here. And you see this guy, fucking Media Transfer Protocol. It's fucking best thing ever right here. You just click it. It's that easy. There's nothing else you need to do. And I'll show you what it does. I'm going to disconnect JK. It's fine. I'm connected through USB, and I'm going to enable Media Transfer Protocol and watch what pops up. Quest 2 storage on PC, and you're gonna click it, and then I'm gonna fucking put a song on there for you. There is this path right here, by the way, internal storage, paradiddle, songs. You can put your songs here. It might work for you. It does not work for me at all. For some reason, the songs do not load. I don't know what the deal with that is, so I'm not going to show you that. Instead, if you've enabled Media Transfer Protocol, there is no trouble at all whatsoever, not even a hitch. Or the thing that will go wrong, nope, won't happen. Just go to Android, Data, Paradiddle, Files, Songs. Rewind this video if you need that again. It's right here. Actually, see it right here. Just copy that motherfucker in there. And here you are. Here's all my songs. Just to show you that it works. Delete this guy right here. Yeah, fuck you, bye. And go ahead, and I'm just gonna, whoops, not what I wanted. Shit, whoops. Fuck, tits, ass. Sorry. I was told I cussed too much, so I wanted to say that. It was a reaction. So I just deleted that, followed that in there, and I'm going to drag this guy in. Wait, is this the right one? Yeah. Drag it in here. It'll pop it in your Quest 2 storage. And if I click on it, it should look like this. I don't need this. I can just delete that. It's fine. If that's in there, it doesn't matter. I have my song files, and then I have my RLR. I believe I don't need, it doesn't matter. And this will work. Really quick, you want to go to your system settings inside your Quest. Right now, my audio is messed up because Meta's recording shit wrong. But anyway, Media Transfer Notification, Media Transfer Protocol Notifications, MTP notification. It's inside your developer tab, like I'm showing you here. And go ahead and just make sure that's enabled, just to avoid and mitigate problems that may occur. Just check off all the T's, dot the I's, whatever the hell you want to call it. Just make sure it's on. And for whatever reason, if you happen to hit deny on Paradiddle when the prompt shows up when you first install the game to give permissions to the storage, go into your permissions here and look for it and check to see if it's on. I could not find it, but apparently it helped someone else fix this issue, which they couldn't access the files, even though that they were in the right folder. They just didn't give Paradiddle permissions at first, but so make sure you do that, I guess. All right, and below this video, go ahead and download this APK that I'm going to post below this video that'll enable you to have this. And it's just an internal file manager for Quest. This is going to allow you to just download songs and unzip them straight from inside the Quest. It's so much easier. So if you're using SideQuest already, do this. It's so much easier. Grab it, download it, put it on your desktop somewhere, I guess. And then inside of SideQuest, go ahead and click the little down arrow and then find the APK file that you just downloaded under this video, and it'll install it to your Quest under your Unknown Sources tab, and then just, yeah, finish the rest of this video. Browser, I'm going to search for a song. Just hit download, and it'll download, and then you head over to File Manager Plus, and you're just going to go hold it down, more, and hit extract, extract to, main storage, Android, data, Paradiddle, files, songs. Sorry, and then you can just extract it here and it'll work. So both of them working now.